Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer the money from Qatar to Romania quickly and cheaply using Wise. So in order to transfer the money from Qatar to Romania, must use a Wise account. If you don't have a Wise account, you can create one easily and for free in order to send money. Just click on send button, click on this a single payment option. Then here you have to put the amount in USD, and here secondary amount will be in Romanian Louis. So here you have to put the amount. So here I'm just transferring like $250. Just click on this and from here you can select the payment method. Then you have to click on compare price option and you can compare the price with other exchange too. Just click on continue. Then you have to fill all the recipient's detail. Then you have to review and pay. So by this way you can do it. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.